So I'm all ready, I suppose. I have a couple of auditions today. And yeah, I'm just having my black tea, lemon tea. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? It's yum. हालांकि ठंड हो चुकी है मेरे रेडी होने के चक्कर में, बट ठीक है, चलेगा. We'll catch you back soon. I'm telling you guys, अब मेट्रो ना होता मेट्रो इस पे आ जाती. मेट्रो इस एरिया also.
So I'm in Panchakutta right now. I just got done with one audition and now I'll have to go to Manikonda for another audition. भूख लग रही है लेकिन 2 बजे मुझे वहाँ रहना है. And it's 1 o'clock already. Something what to do, what to eat. Most probably a sandwich or a burger. Let's figure it out.
Instead, मैंने donut देख लिया and I was like, I gotta have it, but it was not that yum, guys. So for auditions, I like to go as much barefaced as possible with little to no makeup. I'll do like little bit of eyebrows, blush, tint kind of thing. Idea is to portray how you naturally look, how your skin tone is and all. And suddenly I don't know why I got that serious. I think I'm hangry. जैसे कि मैंने बोला था मैं मणिकोंडा में हूँ, तो here's some कोंडा for you. ड्राइवर भैया और मैं मैचिंग कर रहे थे स्वेटर वाइज. एंड दीज आर मैन मेड कोंडास फॉर यू. ये रायदुर्ग मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास व्यू है एंड आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक इट. आई डोंट नो. एंड देन आई वेंट टू अ मॉल. Christmas is around the corner, guys, as you can see from the decoration, and I had to stuff my face with food because I was literally very hungry at this point. So I'm doing that while checking some work messages and all. Yeah. Honestly, आज for auto charges and for everything summed up, कुछ 600-700 हुए मेरे को. That's why it's tough. It's tough being an artist क्योंकि imagine for a day अगर इतना होता होगा audition फिरते फिरते, तो imagine for a month, not even a month में 10-12 दिन भी, it's a lot. And sorry guys if there is no lip sync because the original video was very noisy. If you get jobs every day, then it's cool, then it's manageable. By the way, I manage my own expenses. कभी कभी tight हो जाता है, then I ask my papa, he'll send it then. But otherwise, I manage my expenses. Actually, I've been doing since past 1 year or so. Yeah, easily. So it's tough, yeah. And that's why they say it's kind of huge courage kind of thing to be an artist because there's no stable income. Kharcha बढ़ता जा रहा है and and apart from that, you have to completely forget all this once the camera is on. You have to be this different person, forgetting all your stress and all. But that's the thing. I love this. I really love it. Once the camera is on, I become this different person. That's me getting a little bit of nervous and shy as people pass by. Right back at munching the food. So yeah, I think I really feel actors are the only people who get to experience many lives in one life. Isn't that crazy? And as I was passing by, found this cute little competitions going on. Head, neck, knees and shoulders. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. It was cute. बचपन याद आ रहा है मेरे को यार. And then I went to a bookstore to gift myself something because I'm my own secret Santa. This book called on to me, but this was part 2, so I couldn't buy it. I bought something else. So this book I bought, I showed on Christmas Eve. So my budget was like 500. 400 का मैंने बुक लिया और 100 was like for a foundation. I donated 100 rupees. So 500 रुपए गए पानी में. आज मेस बंद है तो मैं बस 2 केले और एक डोनट पे बच्चा दिया उस चीज के चक्कर में It's tough, yeah. It's tough being honest. It feels like my hamisha and cribbing and grinding and cribbing. I love the job, but yeah, it's not easy. बहुत करेज लगता है and this is the hardest part first. Once you have established yourself, that's good. So I'm back in the hostel, guys, and I must show you this. I packed it in my purse and I brought it back. This is the thing with me, मतलब I have such a tiny appetite, small appetite कि कभी भी अगर मैं बाहर खाती हूँ, whichever meal I have, whether it's restaurant, whether it's fast food, मुझे जाता ही नहीं है. I have to divide that food into 2 parts. And मेरा पेट भर जाता है जल्दी, then I have it. Then immediately 1 घंटे 2 घंटे के बाद मेरे को एकदम चुल उठती है, एकदम भूख इतनी जोर से लगती है. I don't know. I have a small appetite, then I have a very fast metabolism. I don't know if it's a boon or a bane. I don't know. If it's a gift or a curse, I don't know. But yeah, that's how it is. It's a new day, it's a new dawn, but it's that same old puffy face of mine. बस 1-2 घंटे पहले उठा है मैंने और देखो गाइस, I'm on my way to shoot and look at the cab prices. 1,000. Oh my god. This is the shoot location. मतलब मल्टीपल सेटअप्स है. वी आर शूटिंग एट फोटो गैरेज. ये अजीज़ नगर पे है. अजीज़ नगर. हियर्स मी गेटिंग माई मेकअप डन. एंड देन हेयर. इट्स अ लॉन्ग डे शूट. एक दिन पूरा है. तो देखते हैं. फर्स्ट टेम्पल सेटअप पे I'm going. I'm the first one to go. Little nervous, but also a little confident. I mean, lot of confident, but I don't know. And then we are done. भाई मुझे सेट बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. There's greenery. There's like this is Himayat Sagar, I guess, lake, and there was greenery and there was so much nature around. Love it. So today I'm shooting for a dating app called Friend App. Lots of costume changes. खुद के costumes. But it's okay. We're gonna be grateful. क्योंकि काम आ रहा है. Yep. It's a huge property and studio. This is so pretty. Just show you. Wow. This is really pretty. Oh guys, this is so beautiful. So pretty. Here's me flashing my Colgate smile right at ya. This is the second outfit. And there are like 6 or 7 outfit changes. And there are like 20 girls out here shooting in different languages. South Indian languages. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. And I was the first one to go shoot. I'm done, which is all good. But now I have to wait until the other girls are done, and I'm like, I get bored. And also network nahi aa raha hai yahan pe. I wish like driving, I don't know driving, but I wish like going in this car back to hostel cause network nahi hai. This property is really vast, guys. It's very vast. The sets are very vast. Here's a video my mama can safely use for rishtas because this much Sampradayani supine cannot be in real life. Just kidding, mama. No rishtas, please. ये थोड़े behind the scenes for you. ये second shot था मेरा. पहला शॉट अर्ली मॉर्निंग में होता, अब ये दोपहर में. तो सोचो कितना वेट किया होगा मैंने. इसके बाद इमीडिएटली थर्ड शॉट हो गया था मेरा. ये है मेरे फेलो मॉडल फ्रेंड्स. और जब तक मेरा चौथा शॉट आ जाता रात भी हो चुकी थी गाइस. It's 8 in the night and we are still shooting. How beautiful is this setup, guys? It matches with my outfit really well. I still have 2 more videos to go. Once they are done, I can go home. Here are some more BTS moments for you. ये साड़ी मेरी नहीं है, मेरे दोस्त की है. उसने मुझे दिया था शॉट के लिए. और ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट सेट है. लुक हाउ प्रिटी इट इज़. अब हम नेक्स्ट शॉट्स के लिए थोड़ा वेस्टर्न ड्रेस ट्राई कर रहे हैं. और मज़े की बात, मैं ये आउटफिट मेरा सेट में ही भूल गई गाइस. एनीवे, इट्स సేఫ్ విత్ అ ఫ్రెండ్ ఆఫ్ మైన్. సమ్ మానిటర్ షాట్ ఫర్ యూ. వెనక బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చాలా బాగుంది. And we ended with my favorite color of the night and of my life and every day, black. I cannot wait for this to get over with and go back to hostel because it's straight out of, it's in the city outskirts and it's very cold here. It's very chilly because there are lots of trees and it's an open land with very few buildings. And finally we are on to the last shot. It was like 10:30 p.m. at this moment and it was very chilly. The next day, it's 1 in the afternoon. I just woke up. Slept 1 in the night. And look at my avatar, guys. I slept for like 12 hours, but
It's okay, it's much needed. I still feel sleepy.
I like me better when I'm with you.